Good morning, guys, all the way from Utila in Honduras. I got here 2 days ago. I flew from Belize City to Roatan, and then I spent the night at Roatan Backpacker Hostel. That's like the only one I found on Hostel World, but it was amazing. Mel, the owner, was incredible. She was so sweet. And then I came all the way to Utila yesterday and settled into dive school that I'm going to be doing because yes, I will be learning how to scuba dive here. I'm doing my open water certification and advanced open water. I think it'll take me about 10 days, más o menos. But the dive school that I'm using is called Paradise Divers, and it's literally right next to the ferry, right in the middle of everything in the island. The island's super small. I can't wait to tell you guys more about it and show you my whole process in getting my advanced open water certifications.
The deeper you dive, the faster your limits get significantly shorter as depth increases.
Good morning, guys. It is day 2. This morning we are getting up at 8 o'clock to start our training. I'm not really sure what we're going to be doing. I'm really excited to get started. I think we're definitely getting in the water today, so I put my bathing suit on and I'm feeling so much better today, so I am pumped. We just got out of the water because we did just like a swim back and forth test between the boat and a buoy, and then did a float test for 10 minutes to see if we're buoyant. Our instructor is checking the equipment right now, and then I think we're gonna get fitted and get in the water and learn about the equipment a bit. So yeah, it's a pretty easy day so far, but I'm just like ready to learn it. Oh, also we did some like quizzes today based on the videos yesterday, and I didn't really show you guys a lot of that, but they were just boring 4-hour videos. So we did the quizzes today, passed. Teamwork, you know, it's really not a big deal, and so we're all good to jump in the water again. To start day 3 of learning how to scuba dive. This day we actually get in the water, we actually get to learn something with our equipment, and then tonight we should be going on our first whale dive. I think up to 10 or 12 meters. It's all been really exciting, but I'm really excited for today because it's like our first breath underwater, which should be really cool. Guys, I'm awful at filming. I'm so sorry. I just wanted to focus on the training just in case anything happened. I did freak out a little bit when I didn't have my regulator in my mouth. I'm going to try to take you on this dive we're going on right now. I'm just grabbing some things in my room, still have my wetsuit on, all the different sensations. But I'm so excited for the first dive. I'm also very nervous because if I lose the regulator, I do kind of freak out a bit. And I just gotta remember to put it back in and just breathe, you know. But like my lips are purple because the water was so cold, and we're in the tropics. What the heck? But I look like a mess, but a great time. Gosh, it's been a crazy and exciting, really fun day. I'm gonna group like day 3 and day 4 together because they were practically the same. We just went on 2 dives each day. Today, although we went down to 18 meters, at the 12 meters and 18 meters we just did practice our skills, taking out the regulator, breathing, putting it back in, as well as taking our masks off. I couldn't film any of that because my instructor wanted me to focus, which I totally get. But tomorrow will be my first day taking my GoPro because we're doing our fun dives. When you do the course, you get 2 free fun dives every course you do. We get to practice our new skills and go down to 18 meters, so I hope we get to see some fun things. The thing about fun dives is you just get to have fun, obviously, and just explore instead of just staying put and practicing your skills. Today ended with the most amazing blessing. Right when we got on the boat and as our instructor announced that we were certified as open water divers, which is really, really exciting, the captain of the boat actually spotted some dolphins, and so we got to put on our fins and masks and just jump in with the dolphins. And there was 2 dolphins and it looked like they were together, and it was just absolutely amazing. They just came really close up to us to say hi, and it was just like after like such a proud moment. So I hope you stick around for the next few days because it's gonna get really, really exciting. Good morning, guys. We're running to get on the boat right now for our 2 fun dives. It's fun dive day, so I'm really, really excited to show you guys what's actually in the coral and not just doing our skills. I had a rush to set up, but it should be fun. We just got back, like literally just got back. I hopped in the shower right away after I cleaned my gear, and I assume that we're just gonna hang out this evening, keep it chill, but I'm so glad I finally got to bring you guys today, and it was so much fun filming. We had so much fun on our fun dives. No skills involved, so we just got to explore, mess around, and have fun with it. But I think that was day 5, and I think tomorrow we start my advanced course. I think it's just going deeper and in different conditions for the advanced dives. So I assume that I could bring you guys with me, but stay tuned. It's gonna be a great time, and I have so much more to show you. There's like wrecks around Utila. We're gonna do a night dive, so it's gonna be really eventful and really fun. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow, possibly.